Welcome back to Vitamin Quiz. Can you name 35 animals within just 3 seconds? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot. Let's start with the easy level. What is this animal? Of course you know it's a cat, but did you know they can make over 100 different sounds compared to just 10 for dogs? How about this one? Lion. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers away? Next! Correct, it's an elephant. Did you know that no two elephants have the same ear shape? Next! Giraffe. Did you know giraffes only need 30 minutes to 2 hours of sleep per day? They take power naps of just 1 to 5 minutes to stay safe from predators. What is this animal? Zebra. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. They are like fingerprints. Next! It's a cow. Did you know cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated? What is this animal? Yes, it's a pig. They are thought to be the 4th most intelligent animal on Earth, following chimpanzees, dolphins, and elephants, and outperforming dogs in many tasks. How about this one? Correct! It's a rabbit. Did you know a rabbit's teeth never stop growing? Their teeth can grow between 10 to 12 centimeters per year. Next! Panda. They spend about 12 hours a day eating bamboo. What is this animal? Penguin. You know what? Gentoo penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. Here we go for the medium level. What is this animal? Hippo. Did you know hippos produce a natural red-orange secretion, not sweat, but a built-in sunscreen and antiseptic that protects their skin from the strong African sun and infections? How about this one? Gorilla. Did you know gorillas build a brand new bed every single night? They use twigs and leaves to weave a cozy nest on the ground or in trees, but they almost never sleep in the same bed twice. Next animal. It's a sloth. You know what? Sloths only go to the bathroom once a week. They have to climb down to the ground to do it, which is the most dangerous time of their life, because that's when predators usually find them. Next one. Flamingo. Do you know why flamingos have this pink color? Because they eat brine shrimp and blue-green algae. These contain beta-carotene, a natural pigment that gives flamingos their iconic pink color. How about this one? Platypus. Think this animal is just a cute mix of a duck and a beaver? Think again. It's one of the few venomous mammals on Earth, and, believe it or not, it actually glows blue-green under a black light. Next! Octopus. Did you know they have 3 hearts and blue blood? What is this animal? Chameleon. Did you know their tongues are twice as long as their bodies and can hit 96 kilometers per hour in a fraction of a second while hunting? How about this one? Meerkat. Did you know those dark patches around a meerkat's eyes are actually built-in sunglasses? They absorb the sun's glare so they can spot predators, like eagles, even in the bright desert sun. This is a toucan. Think a toucan's beak is heavy? It's actually super light and acts like a built-in air conditioner to keep the bird cool in the heat. Next animal. A hedgehog. Did you know that hedgehogs are mostly immune to snake venom? They have a special protein in their blood called arinacin. This protein neutralizes the venom of snakes, like adders, making them one of the few small mammals that can actually win a fight against a venomous snake. So, are you ready for the hard level? What is it? It's a hyena. Did you know hyenas can crush solid bone? Their bite is so powerful they eat the whole skeleton, not just the meat. I bet you can't guess what this one is. It's an axolotl. Did you know that although they are called walking fish, axolotls are actually amphibians, not fish? They can regenerate entire limbs, their spine, and even parts of their brain. How about this one? It's a narwhal. Did you know a narwhal's horn is actually a giant tooth with millions of nerve endings? It is a highly sensitive sensory organ, not a weapon, used to detect environmental changes like water salinity, temperature, and pressure. Next! Yes, it's a pangolin. Did you know? A pangolin's tongue is so long that it is actually attached near its pelvis. When fully extended, it can be longer than the animal's entire head and body combined. What is this animal? It's a wombat. They are the only animals in the world that produce cube-shaped poop. I bet you can't guess what this one is. A fossa. Did you know that the fossa is the largest land carnivore in Madagascar? Another hard one. A flying squirrel. They can glide for over 90 meters in a single leap. What is it? A weasel. Did you know weasels use a frantic war dance to hypnotize their prey into freezing before they attack? What is it? A mandrill. Did you know? A mandrill's face is like a battery meter. The brighter the red and blue colors, the more dominant and powerful the male is. Next animal. Komodo dragon. Did you know Komodo dragons don't just have sharp teeth? They have venom glands that prevent a victim's blood from clotting. Are you ready for the impossible level? Good luck. I bet you can't guess what this one is. It's an eye. They have a skeletal middle finger that rotates 360 degrees. It taps on trees like a sonar to find hidden grubs. How about this one? It's a red-lipped batfish. Did you know the red-lipped batfish is a fish that prefers walking to swimming and uses its bright red lips to attract a mate? I bet you can't guess what this one is. It's a blue dragon slug. This tiny sea slug is a toxic thief. They steal venom from jellyfish to become one of the ocean's most dangerous tiny predators. Next! It's a bald wakari. A bald wakari's bright red face is a sign of perfect health. If they get sick, their face turns completely white. Last one. It's a sundakalugo. They use a huge skin cape to glide over 100 meters between trees. They can travel through the entire jungle without ever touching the ground. Pick your next challenge, and make sure to like and subscribe.